didn't see you. Come here. Okay. Yeah, today videos is super randomly, and I just want to give you guys a little update of my current life. Ever since I moved to this place, I barely hang out. I barely went outside, and I spent most of my time here. And as I mentioned from the earlier videos about my room tour, let me show you around. Right here. Hey, welcome to my room. Okay, how do I put this? So, if you guys already follow me from previous videos, you know this is my lovely desk setup. And I bring it exactly how it was in the old place to the new house. And it's been working very nice. And look at this. It fits to the outlets like a charm. So that's a plus for me. And behind me is the brand new console that I just purchased on Amazon. And because my room is extra small, so I will need to buy some kind of console to store all my stuff. All my videos gear, all my books, and all the stuff is here. Moving on, this is my favorite corner in the room. Okay. I think you guys can already guess it. It's the sofas. This sofa is so comfy. I literally can take a nap a whole day. And yeah, this is my favorite spot in the room. And to this point, you guys might have a question like, oh Brian, where you gonna sleep at night? So this is the office in the morning, but at night I can pull this over and turn this into a bed. So it's a sofa bed, and I've been sleeping like that. On the other side, I do have some decoration piece like this plant, which I really love, and I got this from IKEA. It's a fake plant, it's easy to assemble, but it fits very well with the overall design of the room, so I like it. On this side, right here, we got my mirrors. And this one I also get it from Amazon too. I can leave the links of all of the products I purchased on Amazon so that you guys can also get it too. But yeah, this mirror looks very nice, and it fits to the overall design of the room, so I very like it. I look at myself every day. Oh, but also one more thing. I want to tell you guys about how I divide my room. Because it's quite a small place, so I have to split the spacing by corners. Basically, the desk where I basically do all of my work is very dark. The color is very dark. And also the console is a dark wood as well. But moving forward, it starts getting brighter and the vibes become more relaxing. So this is how I divide my space. Basically, this is where I'm gonna be relaxing at night. I'm gonna pull this out to be a bed, and it's gonna be my bed side, my relaxing side of the room. But moving this direction, it starts getting darker and more edgy. Yeah, edgy. So that is how I'm gonna make the room feel more like a workspace. The fact that this sofa is convertible to a bed and the sofas in the morning, I don't feel like this is a bedroom at all, and which is a good thing so that I can focus more on my work. And yeah, at night I pull it out and bam, become a bedroom. It feels very fun to work in an office instead of working in your bedroom, you know. So probably right now I will get back to work. For the last 2 weeks I've been working on this one project which I'm very passionate about, which is my clothing brand. Yeah, I'm about to launch my very first clothing brand, and you guys can look it up by the name of The Explorer Official on Instagram. Currently everything is still in process, but I'm super excited to give you guys the launch day. Right now I'm still not deciding what is the launch day yet, but probably it's gonna be sometime in the next month. The reason why I'm creating this brand is because me myself, I'm also an explorer. I have a big curiosity about the world. I feel like life is all about taking risk and try on new things, right? I don't know, ever since I was just a kid, I feel like the life is too short, but the world out there is so big and wide. So I want to experience new things. I want to go to new place. I want to do things that I never done before. And I feel that that's how people roam, by exploring. So that's why I have the brand right here. I really want to spread this mentality to as many people as I could. And creating this brand Explorer also an exploring for me too. I'm exploring out how to create a business because I never done one before. So super excited. And the past 2 weeks has been a fun journey too. I got to experience how to create new clothes and as well as new marketing strategies for my brand too. I'm very excited to launch it, so you guys stay tuned for it, okay? Hey guys, so right now I'm on my way picking up mom. She just got off work, and after that we're gonna hang out at the bay, the Mission Bay. Yeah, today it is not a sunny day, but it is what it is. Wow, so windy. Mẹ say hi mà. Chào. Hello. Chào. Wow, such a good weather for outdoor activities. Yeah, it's been so long since I hang out. Hey, bạn dạ. Uống thử đi. Thấy sao? Nước hay là không nước? Ừ. Okay, so we just got back from the boba place, and while my mom take a shower, I will go for a quick basketball before having dinner with her. So now I'm gonna go get changed. All right, let's go. Okay, I make it to the courts. Yeah, there's not much people today. Suck. Hey guys, so I just got back from basketball and just have dinner with moms. It's pretty late already, so I think I will ready for bed. But before that, I will actually have to. Okay, so lately I've been working on this book, Think Like a Monk, and I think I will finish one chapter of this book before going to bed. And also, honestly, every time I try to read this book, the Think Like a Monk, it just gets so sleepy on my 10th minutes, and after that moment nothing making sense anymore. So I think I will have to read it earlier on the day or instead of reading it so late at night. Yeah, but anyways, it is what it is. I still gonna finish one chapter of this book and try to understand what it's talking about. No offense, he's a good writer, okay? Oh, and I think I haven't shown you guys how I do the bed, right? So yeah, let me show you how. Right, so what you're looking at right now is the sofas. And in order to convert it into a bed, first we need to remove the pillow. It doesn't take that much effort for the transformation, and it's pretty convenient too. There we go, we pull this thing out, and voila, we have ourselves a bed. Wow, this feels so good to slide out after a long day. Oh, and if you guys wonder where am I store all of my blankets, it's in this drawer. So good night.